Hi, this is Gideon Stan with Gray Software. I want to show you in this quick video how to use our quick setup or wizard, our quick setup screen, or it's also called the wizard, to basically walk you through the setup information for your property. Okay, the first thing is, of course, this is automatically given to you. It comes from your activation, your property short name, your email ID, and your property uh, phone number. Okay, and then this is where you would enter tax. In this case, if you look at it, I've already entered this tax, the specific tax amount, tax one, sales tax 8.25 percentage. Okay, you could add more taxes in case you have more taxes. So I'm just going to go and add a uh, city tax, which is 6%, and this is a percentage of amount. You also have a flat percent you can options to do that. So I'm just click on add. So now I have two taxes set up: on the sales tax 8.25% and the city tax, which is 6%. Okay, now the next part, this is why I think this is the main reason we are doing this video. In this part, you have two ways of setting up rooms. If you have smaller properties that just go by room names, like garden view room, or lavender room, different themes, then you can just use this room names and start entering all the room names here and use the nightly rate for each of them. But if you have more room types, for instance, if you have, like, okay, I have queen, room type is queen, I have five queen types, and then I have another king size room, and then I have five of them, then you would enter that in here. So I'm just going to do this one first. I'm just going to say room type is going to be king suite, let's just call it. All right, and I have, let's just say it's about $200 a night. And how many rooms do you have of this king suite? I'm going to say I'm going to have 3 rooms of that type, and then click on add. All right, now it's going to add 3 rooms of this king suite type. So now let me just add one more type, and then I'll go to room name. So I'm going to say I'm going to do a queen non-smoking. Okay, non-smoking room type, and this is 150 per night, and I have another um, 2 of them in here. So I'm just going to say click on add, and that now generates 2 queen non-smoking, and then king suite. Okay, now I'm just going to, for those people that do not use room types, then I just want to do rooms, then I can just select rooms. So most people would either have room types or room names, but I'm trying to show you both in this video. So if I just select room names, let's just say lavender room. Okay, and it's 150 per night. It's a single room. Okay, there you go. There's lavender room, and then I want to call this. Let's just say this is loft room by the ocean. So let's just say that's $250 per night. Boom. Um, okay. So that's it. And then that's pretty much at this point all you would need. And just click on finish. And now you're ready to jump into the property, and you can see all the rooms listed here. Your king suite rate, and then all the rates can be adjusted or changed by going to the setup screen here. And then if you look at the unit setup, you'll see all the 5 rooms, or sorry, 6 rooms, 7 rooms listed. King 1 through 1, 2, 3. Then there should be a 2 queen, 1 and 2. Then these are the room names when we add it, right? And each of them has the rates listed under the regular rate. Okay, and let me just look at the rates setup screen. So if I go to rates, you can see all the different rates in here of these. Basically, there are 3 types of rates. Rack rate is 200 for the king, 150 for the queen, and this is the lavender and loft room. You can of course do more rates with using seasons. You can add seasonal rates. We have another video for that. Then you can add more dates and things like that. All right, that's all I wanted to share. If you have any questions, please check on help.easyinkeeping.com, or you can always go to graysoft.com. Thank you.